Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long range weather forecast discussion for December 25th through January 6th. For December 25th to the 29th, this is what we're generally forecasting. We have a trough that's forecast in the west and a ridge of the Caribbean with above normal heights in the east, but it starts out here like this, fairly zonal, but then as we go through the period, you see exactly what I'm talking about. And we come to the 29th, you can see it in the miles of good agreement with this. So during this period, we're going to have a storm in the central U.S. So we're going to follow the system. Okay, here's the system here as we get into Wednesday. This is the GFS FV3. This here is snow. We have rain. This is Wednesday, and then as we get to Thursday, the system starts to deepen. We have snow on the northern northwestern side, rain, possible storms here to the south in the warm sector. So, and then now this is a GFS. We get to Wednesday. Kind of showing the same thing. Snow here, rain across this region here. And then we look at the European ensembles. We get into Wednesday. Here it is. Notice where the 540 line is. This will be snow. The GFS is not, well, now the GFS is not as aggressive with the snow as the other models are. So this system will deepen and interact with a deep flow out of the Gulf of Mexico. And then we're going to have heavy rainfall occurring along the Gulf Coast states. For December 28th to January 1st, the overall pattern doesn't change very much. Ridge forecast over the eastern Pacific. We have a trough in the west. Ridge here of the Caribbean with above normal heights in the east. So for this forecast period, I am forecasting below normal temperatures here. And I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees below normal. Above normal temperatures are forecast for the central states. I think that this is overdone. But for now, I put it in the forecast 6 to 12, but I think it might be closer to like maybe 6 or 8 degrees above normal for precipitation. Is this the right map? Nope. Okay, we're below normal. Let me see. Okay, the maps got kind of mixed up. We have below normal precipitation to the west of this line during this period, and the probability of occurrence is 45%, and then we have above normal precipitation for this region here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. Now look at the period for January 2nd to the 6th. I think during this period, this is what we've been waiting for it to happen. There'll be changes occurring. And I'm going to show you that right now. We're going to be on the 2nd. Pattern starts like this, but as we go through the period, you can see that this East Pacific Ridge builds inland, pushes this trough eastward into the east central states. And then the Caribbean Ridge slides to the east. This is a GFS. You see we have above normal heights. In the west, below here, here's our trough starting to dig down to the south. This might be the beginning of the stratospheric warming that I've been talking about. And then we look at the, which model is this? GEFS. Even the Caribbean ensembles gets in the act. This is it. ridge here, trough. This ridge slides out to the east, like I said. So for this forecast period, forecasting above normal temperatures for much of the west, and forecasting anomalies of 4 degrees above normal, and then below normal temperatures are forecast for the east central states, and forecast anomalies of at least 4 degrees below normal. And for precipitation, generally below normal precipitation forecast for much of this area here. Probability of occurrence 35 to 45%. And then we have above normal precipitation forecast here for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%. That's the long range weather forecast discussion for December 25th through January 6th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.